China is the world's largest manufacturer and user of filter presses. STUAA provides robotic welding solutions for leading filter press manufacturers. One customer has ranked number 1 globally for 20 consecutive years. Head plate thrust plate cylinder base 660 mm thick, up to 2.5 T. Multiple weld seams, large deposits perfect for robotic welding. Single robot plus servo-controlled SKYHOOK welding-while-rotating. STUAA optimizes welding cycle time through simulation. Custom fixtures for multiple parts. 60+ STUAA systems running stably at this customer's site. High quality, stable, efficient welding production. STUAA developed a filter press welding expert database.